Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix blank white desktop shortcut icons on Windows 10 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type App Data. Now click on OK. Here click on View tab and select Hidden Items. Now double click on Local and then scroll down. Here you will find an hidden file icon cache. Now you need to delete this file. Right click on it and click on Delete. Now close File Explorer. Right click on Taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Here you will find Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now close Task Manager and now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope blank white desktop shortcut icons on Windows 10 computer is fixed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.